Welcome back to part 4 of the Nitro Stampede Revive. But in this video, we're gonna put all this back together. So yeah, I did separate videos for the teardown and the cleanup of everything, but this is all gonna happen in this video. I'm gonna put the whole thing back together. I just got most of the parts that, didn't know that was in there. So I did get most of everything I need to put back together. I'll probably get this about 90% put back together. I still have to order the new wheels and tires and the servos, and I'm still undecided if I'm going to try and salvage the Easy Start. I don't have the starter wand anymore, so I'm gonna have to get a new one, but it would be cheaper to get just a pull start. I do have a glow plug igniter. I'm probably just gonna go with the pull start and not worry about the Easy Start. I have no idea where everything goes back together. Luckily, I do have the diagram, the PDF diagram, and it's broken down in the front, chassis, and rear assembly. So I can put them all together using the diagram, and hopefully I don't have any leftover screws. All right, so enough talking. Let's get into this rebuild. So I have these Atomic RC shocks. They do come in different colors. You can get them in all red, you can get them in all blue, and then I got this one with the red and blue. It kind of matches the red and blue in the Stampede design. I've seen good reviews, I've seen bad reviews of these, but they do not come oil filled. You have to fill them on your own. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my own oil in. Now these are the Ultra shocks, which are pretty much the same thing as your stock shocks. They are not the big bore. So we'll put a little bit of oil in, and then we have to work out the air bubbles. So to work out the air bubbles, all you gotta do is fill the shock up halfway with your oil, maybe not even halfway, and then just take that plunger and just go up and down with the plunger. And you also want to spin it. Spinning it helps get the air out as well. But once you plunge it a few times and you don't see any more air bubbles come out, there's a good chance that you got all the air out. You don't want air in your shock. Now the thicker the oil you use, the longer you want to keep plunging that. Also, maybe you want to set it aside and just let it sit for a little bit, because the thicker oil does not allow the air to come out as fast. So I'm not tightening these because once I put the motor on, then I can slide this whichever way I want. So that way I can get the proper mesh between the spur gear and the pinion gear. So everything is coming along pretty nicely. I'm starting to like the way this looks. So let's keep going with this. is. I think it is totally rebuilt. The only thing is, yes, I knew it was gonna happen. I knew I would forget about ordering a screw here or there, and I didn't do too bad. I actually only forgot to order these 2 screws. For some reason, I didn't think of them. I overlooked them. But other than that, this thing is pretty much completely put back together. Let's see what it looks like with the body on. I have to get this post to line up here. And there we have it with the body. Pretty pleased with how it looks. And the next step is going to be the electronics, the 2 servos, the steering servo up front, and then also the throttle and braking servo right here. I do have the on and off switch. I'm not gonna put that on until I get the rest of the electronics put in. Thanks for watching this video. It has been an awesome experience rebuilding this Stampede.